Mga nibugma kay Igsoon kay Kristo, ayong hapon kanina first time namin ni to celebrate the Eucharist and via cyberspace and sa atong mga igsoon, sa inyong mga panimalay, uban sa inyong mga pamilya, kay ang atong compliance in faith sa directive sa atong inigong mga subispo mao ang padayon ang pagsaulog sa sakramento. Pero for the meantime, during these difficult times, without the big congregation. So, ang katapis o the warmth of God's love ay reach out and bring sa inyong tagsa-tagsa na pamilya, barangay, o panimalay. Karong adlaw atong isaulog ang solemnidad ni San Jose, Mana ni Maria. Si Archbishop Palma, indot man ang timing, iya mang kaadlawan karon ang iyang birthday, 70th birthday. So, sa iyang sharing or testimony, she shared ang beautiful imagery na I would also like to share kaninyong tanan karamang ko na. He said, the imagery, the memory of his father was very deeply embedded in his consciousness. Kanang sanggamay pa sila, and then the father would also carry them forward and guide them. And when they travel, the father would hold their hands to lead them to the right direction. And usahay, if they cross kanang rivers, ang ilang amahan would put them on his shoulders. May imagine niyo? Ilang kargahon sila sa shoulder sa ilang amahan. Now si Archbishop Palma, karon 17 na siya, pero iyon niya, even though his father passed away early at 40 years old, he would always cherish that memory. Na usa sa trademark sa isa ka tinuod na amahan, mao ang protective love. Protective love. This is very important. Kanang hugma na handa mo karga through the rough waters to bring the child to safety. Karong solemnity ni St. Joseph, husband of Mary, we would like to focus na ang role ni St. Joseph, he was handpicked by divine providence for his faithful and protective love. He was handpicked by God to protect Mama Mary. Ato na makita sa Ebanghelyo, St. Joseph did not want to put Mama Mary to public shame. Kaya ang iyang sitwasyon when she would be found out pregnant and then the betrothed seems to be in question kung siya ang amahan, Mama Mary could be in a state of public disgrace or even public shaming. Joseph shielded her from that. Can you imagine that? No, kung ma-hurt mo kita, kay kulugay na ay suspected betrayal, usahay, mabuto kita, and then grabe kaayo ang atong accusation. Joseph did not do that. That shows us ang iyang lahong na pag-igugma. Deep love for Mama Mary. Mas dali magigugma kung convenient pa. Pero to love and go on loving, even though while he was hurting and not sure, that's really true faithful love. So Joseph, in that sense, protected Mary, giving her faithful and protective love. And later on, ultimately, he will be entrusted with Jesus to be the foster father. And sometimes when we think flight to Egypt, we only think and imagine kanang pagdagan paadto dito sa Egypto to escape. Maujud na ang other side. But the other side is actually a father, St. Joseph, who listened to the guidance of God to bring his family, mother and child, to safety. Usahay, ang protective love would mean putting distance to the source of danger. Pero si Mana, keeping social distancing, you would often hear that. And others would say corny, or others na kuyawan. But we can see it from the perspective of faith. I recall, kana bang ang tinuod nga amahan o inahan would always protect ang iyang pamilya, ang iyang mga anak. Mauni ang gugma na gihatag ni San Jose kay Kristo Jesus. In relation to this, sa ato ang struggle karon, importante dyan kaayo ang social distancing para dili kita kakakdan ba. We avoid also being vulnerable kay big gatherings na ay high increased risk of contagion. Maupili ang perspective na pwede nato na learn kay St. Joseph. Part of protective love is also giving space sometimes from your beloved. How do I explain this? Ngayon sa kainahan, tulo ang iyang bata. The youngest, very close siya tayo, lalaki, 2 years old. Then, duwa ka babae. She had to undergo kanang radiation ba? And the radiation took her, dapat may 3 weeks siya, na dili magduol, dili pwede ka duol ang iyong mga anak. Kaya kasi ma-contaminate sila or put at risk. Now, I could not really recall exactly the specific period of time. But she told me on the phone, she was in tears. She was crying. And she told me, Father, more than the pain of the radiation, you know what's painful for me? As a mother, I could not even allow my children to go near me. And I can see them only from afar, and they are crying. But I could not allow that because I might put them at risk. Mauni ka nindot kaayo ng imagery, kanang protective love ba, that will include also distancing. So, even kining atong Santos ng Misa, medyo awkward ka ron, I'm looking at the cell phone. Imagine ko lang, nasa behind that, naaman mo din na nagpaminaw o nagasimba ko niya o karon live streaming. Pero we have to do this as a way of proactive faith response as well. Not only in obedience to the directive of our Archbishop, but as well also as our protective love for our community. So brothers and sisters, let me conclude. In solemnity in St. Joseph, let us continue our stance of faith. We continue making our own stance of hope. But at the same time, we can learn from him. Faithful love also means protective love. And when we follow his example, and when we turn to him in prayer, we will surely be blessed by the Lord. May Saint Joseph intercede for you and your loved ones. So help us, God.